Hello and welcome to the new video of Revitasium. So this is also about a custom duct fitting, which is called a boot. Now this essentially also is an elbow with two different shapes on both sides. So on one side it's rectangular and on the other side it is round, and it's transitioning in the shape, and also it's like turning 90-degree like an elbow. So because of its peculiar shape it's called a boot. So here is this fitting that I just wanted to make, and it's pretty much everything is parametric. So let me I will just connect some duct on both sides. This is the rectangular one, and on this side it's going to be the round one. And if I go to, let's say, 3D view, so all these things can be I can change the dimensions of the rectangular duct, and I can change the dimension of the round duct. So this one, say this is 800 by 400. I can change the size, let's say 700, so it changes. I can change the the height of the duct. Let's say I make it 300, and there you go. Let's make it even further reduced. So this is the one, and also I can change the dia. Say 350, I can make it to 400. Let's say it changes, and I can even reduce it. So let's say I take it to 250. Let's say there you go. So this behaves pretty well. Everything is parametric. So let's see some other features of this fitting, uh, like the shoulder, which is this dimension shoulder. I can decrease it to 50 mm and decreases. There you go. And I can change to 100, and let's keep it back to 75. And also what I can do is that this round has a neck of, let's say, 100. I can change it to, let's say, 150, and there you go. Or I can change it to 75, and there you go. And now you might be just wondering that I can how about if I have to reverse the direction? So all you need to do is just copy this. I'll just copy it, and now here in the construction there is a button reverse. You just click the reverse and everything goes on that side, so the you get the orientation on both sides, and that's it. You got the rectangular duct and you got the round duct, and everything else works fine. Norm with Everything else works fine. Round duct, let's say 150, and that's it. You can change the dia again, just like the normal one, and you can do everything. Change, let's say 1000, and so this is this fitting. So uh, it's done and it's working fine. I hope you liked it. Have a nice time.